Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to CSS for Developers. So let's get to it. We're going to write our first CSS rule. Alright, so find these files that you unzipped. Find the indexed HTML file. We'll start by changing that one a little bit. And let's edit with Notepad++. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit more. I did that with Control and the scroll wheel, if you're looking for that. I think that's, sort of comfortable, so we'll go with that. And what we're going to do, the easiest way to get started writing CSS rule is to just kind of put it on the page. It's not the best way. We'll do another way later. But we can put it on this one page with a style by making a style element in the head. So style, close style. And remember, things in the head of the HTML page it's not for things that get displayed on the page, like, the menu or the content. It's for stuff about the page, like in this case we have the character set of the page and the title of the page that goes in the browser tab. So style is another one like that. It's meta information about the page. And we're going to write a rule that says that all the H1s on the page should be red. Alright, so let's do that. We start writing our rule by saying what we want to target. It's called the selector. H1 is the selector. So we're going to target all of the H1s on the page. And then in French braces, the curly ones, we're going to say the color, that's the property name, is red, semicolon. So property name, colon, value of the property, and then a semicolon to separate this declaration from the next declaration in the declaration block. And you'd have a whole string of these. So this is kind of the simplest possible CSS rule. It's got a selector, it's got a declaration block. The declaration block has one declaration in it, and the declaration has a property and a value separated by a colon, and all of the declarations are separated from each other with semicolons. So the semicolon's important. Alright, I'm going to save that and go out to the browser and look at it. And lo and behold, our H1 is red. Unless you select it. It's red. Isn't that nice? So with CSS, you can change the style of your HTML pages, and you can change all sorts of things about them, and it's fun. And that's what we're going to be doing in our course. That's your first CSS rule. Isn't that fun? All right. I'll see you next time. Thanks.